up guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. I got this by Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and paying extra 5,000 rupees to buy the watch. Apparently it is a very nice deal that actually this watch is of 20,000 or something, but I got it for so less, but 5,000 is more. So now let's open it. And opening it here. And what I can see is a very bad problem. But as you can see, I've already opened this part, but the package is not pretty box. The rain also can fall, and first of all, this is also open. As you can see from here, this is also open, and this is not sealed. And it's open, and this part is open and it was not even sealed. So this box could be damaged by some rainwater, but it's needed. By the way, I just expect more better packaging from Samsung. So now this is the package which it comes, and this is the box, the oxygen box, very nice looking. It has a grow here, that is very nice. Even it comes over there, but even here also the grow comes, and here's the seal. So now let's open it. So now I'm going to cut this box. Okay, it has got two seals, and I'm going to come here. Yes, here comes the box. Let's take it out. Yes. So inside it, here comes the charger. So now let's compare the Galaxy Watch Active with Samsung Galaxy Gear Sport. So now we see here a difference of design. This is the design difference, and you can see here diagonal lines. These flaps are replaced by this design, and the diagonal lines are replaced by the slick and smooth bands. And so now let's keep the Gear Sport at this, and now turn and flip the Galaxy Active, and let's see what's behind. And as in behind, you see a small sensor here. So these are the sensor clusters, but we also need to compare it with our Galaxy Gear Sport. So now, as you can see, the sensor cluster is bigger in this, and there is more number of sensors on Galaxy Watch Active. And now let's move over to the bezel. So now let's move over to the front side of it. So on front side you can see there is no bezel. But if I lift my Galaxy Gear Sport, I see a bezel. This is rotatable like this. It is got stuck. But so now let me tell you more about my Gear Sport. Actually, I got two Gear Sports. One is very problematic, and because of its bezel. Starting it was working really fine, but as the end, but time passed, its bezel stopped working because of the sweat which was going inside the bezel, and it just seriously harmed the motherboard of the Gear Sport. For that reason, it went to the service center 2 times. And to prevent that problem for again happening, I think Samsung has removed the bezel from the watches. So now I've discussed the outlook of the whole watch. So now let's get into the inner part of it. So let me start it and turn it on. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay, Samsung Galaxy Watch active. It's showing very nicely. Taking a lot of time to load. Okay, it's now showing the Samsung's logo. Let's go. Just put it up. What is this? Okay. Now let's see it later. So guys, now I have set up the whole Galaxy Watch active, and now I'm ready to show it to you all of you guys. Then starting now. Then this is the home key, I think, and this is the back key. As the same of Gear Sport. This is the home key. This is the back key. Same only. And the program is also pretty much same. It is a home screen touch and wide dishes and bezel rotator plus with a screen touch. The most of the programming is same only, but I am feeling that the screen touch is very responsive of Galaxy Watch active. So I'm mostly talking about the watch only and not focusing on the charger. So now let's remove all of these things and go to the charger. So as you can see, this is the Galaxy Watch active charger and this is the Gear Sport charger. So the biggest disadvantage of Galaxy Watch charger is that it doesn't have an adapter. It doesn't clearly have only. Now how will I charge it? I will charge it with this adapter only. Anyway. So let me explain you about the Galaxy Watch active charger now. The Galaxy Watch active charger is a charger which is horizontally compressed without a vertical support, but while in the other hand the Gear Sport charger is vertically supported by it actually has an horizontal base with an vertical stand and an adapter also very nice.
Galaxy Watch is smaller.
So in on the Galaxy Watch screen is more smaller than the Gear Sport. It doesn't have an bezel. Its design is different. It even doesn't have an adapter. But its screen touch is highly responsive than the Gear Sport one. And I just discovered now only that there are two holes here. I think sweat can enter there. This just deserve? No. So that's it guys. I not got more things to share about Galaxy Watch and Gear Sport, but it's on. And for watching this video, hope you subscribe my channel and like the video. So I'm signing off.